Hi folks! How are you? Kamusta kayo? It's a beautiful Thursday. Kahapon umuulan, ngayon umaaraw, mamaya uulan, hindi mo ma-spelling yung ating klima. But anyway, sabi nila, this year is the year of La Nina. May cold spell po tayo. So I hope, this year will be basically cool. Wag naman masyado malamig. At wag naman masyado mainit. Yung tamang-tama lang. But what's our topic for today? Okay? Super warrior ka ba? Just like myself, before, I used to worry a lot. Pero as you mature, yung worry mo nagdi-decrease eh. Okay? Yung quality ng worry mo nag-improve, di ba? Do you worry too much? Ikaw? Do you worry about bad things that may happen? Alam nyo, nasa mindset yan, di ba? Karamihan sa atin who are super warrior, sa mindset natin, nangyari na yung kinakatakutan natin. Pero actually, in reality, hindi pa nangyayari, di ba? Yun po yung resulta for being a super warrior. Okay? Karamihan sa atin, mga warrior. Like, for example, yung aking partner in life, na sometimes, she wakes up in the morning, yung body language niya, at saka yung facial expression niya, nagiging super warrior despite all the blessings, no, that we have received all these years. Okay? Bakit kaya? Bakit kaya maraming super warrior? In relation sa direct selling industry, no, which I come from, at kung ikaw ay isang super warrior, malamang maraming dahilan kung bakit ikaw ay nagiging super warrior when you're building your business in the direct selling industry. As a result, wala kang self-confidence sa sarili mo, maybe because of several reasons, no? Alam mo yan, you know your reasons, but allow me to explain at least 5 common reasons, no? Na base sa aking experience and base na rin sa mga observations ko sa mga tao na kasama ko sa industriya na to, direct selling. Reason 1, wala kang mentor na pwedeng gumabay sa'yo. Ito, masaklap to eh. You join a direct selling company pero walang qualified mentor na mag-guide sa'yo. Okay? If this is the case, folks, don't stop. Always look for a good mentor. Unfortunately kasi karamihan sa mga sponsors or sa mga invite sa'yo to join a direct selling company, walang alam sa mentorship, much more leadership, di ba? But you don't have to worry, folks. No? Marami kang mapupulot nowadays sa internet. Nandiyan dyan ang YouTube channel. Maswerte tayo sa panahon ngayon. May access tayo sa social media and learn from the experts. Ako, honestly, I don't stop learning. I listen to podcasts. Marami akong pinakikinggan na experts that can help me develop myself every day. So, do the same, no? Kung wala tayong mentor, nandiyan dyan po yung social media, nandiyan dyan ang internet. Nasa kamay po natin, nasa smartphone natin. All we have to do is, listen and learn. Okay? Reason number 2, lack of confidence. Bakit kaya? Okay? Kaya tayo nagiging super warrior kasi wala tayong confidence or zero yung confidence natin. Bakit? Maraming dahilan, no? Kilala mo yung sarili mo? Ikaw ang nakakaalam sa mga dahilan kung bakit wala kang self-confidence. Mas kilala mo sarili mo. Pero isa sa mga common reasons, okay, is that you have the tendency to compare yourself sa mga magagaling na or mga experts, no? Kaya ka na-insecure, kaya ka nawawala ng confidence. But take note, you don't have to compare yourself to them. Kasi sila, you know, just like you, nag-umpisa sa, alam mo yun, pagiging novice, walang alam, so matagal na sila sa industriya, 10, 15, 20 years or so, magagaling na sila eh. So don't compare yourself to them. Bakit? Meron kang sariling style, meron kang sariling diskarte, focus on your strengths, don't focus on your weakness, so always work hard to improve your self-confidence. Okay? Self-study po. Okay? Hindi niyo na kailangan pumunta sa formal school. Nandiyan dyan po ang laptop nyo, nandiyan dyan ang smartphone nyo, nandiyan dyan ang internet. You can do it. No? So what is the third reason? Lack of or zero product knowledge. Ito, very common po ito. Na-observe ko sa mga marami. Okay, wala kasi silang diligence to study carefully about their product. Ang dapat kasi, continuous learning ang mindset mo about your product. Okay, kabisaduhin mo lahat ng detalye of your product tulad ng certifications. Halal certified ba siya? FDA approved ba siya? Okay? Yung manufacturer, alamin mo kung sino nagpo-produce or yung packaging. Tignan mo lahat yung seals of approval. Tignan mo lahat yung, kung nandoon yung uh, good manufacturing practices seal, nandoon yung FDA seal, nandoon yung super brands. There are so many seals today na nakalagay sa packaging. Okay? Tapos meron tayong ingredients. Ano yung mga ingredients or components of your product? So you have to know each ingredient or component and ano yung benefit, okay, para sa customer mo. Ito, importante ito, folks. Testimonials. Pag dumadami ang customer mo, dumadami din dapat ang testimonials mo. You have to organize this through pictures, through stories, through audio, through video, whatever. I-organize mo siya in such a way na pwede mo siyang i-present sa mga target customers mo. And more details about your product. Reason number 4. Ito very common din po. Lack of communication skills. Okay, ito yung weakness natin. It is a must na matuto tayo mag-communicate. It doesn't matter po kung English, Tagalog, Ilocano, Kapampangan. As long as you're able to convey the message of your company or your product to your target customer. So, isang component ng good communication skill kasi is active listening. Kailangan matuto tayong makinig. Hindi yung tayo lagi nagsasalita. When the customer starts talking, stop talking and listen. Since need mo ma-identify ang concerns ng customer mo and come up with a solution offered by your product and service. So habang nagsasalita yung customer mo, marami kang nalalaman, lalo na pagka, nagdadaing siya about, problems. So habang nagsasalita siya, na-identify mo na kung paano mo present yung product mo and you can choose the right words, the right phrase, and the right message to send to your customer. Moreover, to improve your communication skill, always take part to participate sa mga product presentations like events kung may mga pagkakataon kasi kailangan mo to humarap sa madlang people para mawala yung fear mo or mawala yung kaba mo sa dibdib mo. The more you present kasi, the more you become spontaneous. Tapos in due time, pagkabisado mo na yung presentation mo, yung product information mo and all, pwede ka na mag-insert ng presentation material that is relevant to your presentation. So it becomes more interesting to your customer. Reason 5, ito is also very common, the fear of failure. Sadly kasi hindi tayo naturuan bata pa tayo or sa school na it's okay. It's perfectly okay to fail. In fact, the more failure we have sa buhay, the greater of success, di ba? The greater chance of success. Think about this, folks. Pag wala kang failure, this means wala kang attempts, di ba? Or wala kang ambisyon sa buhay mo. Sino ba ang naging successful dito sa mundong ito na hindi dumaan sa katakot-takot na failure? The more failure you have, yung batting average mo tataas. So, name it. Sports, entertainment, business, politics, whatever. Lahat po ng mga personalities, lahat mga nag-succeed in life, in their calling, dumaan po sa katakot-takot na failure. So, you have to learn to embrace failure and learn to fail forward, no? The more mistakes or failure we have in the field of direct selling, the better for us. So in due time, you become experts sa larangan ng direct selling kasi you know, uh, lahat po ng failure na daanan mo. Oh, this is my point. The earlier the failure, the better. Okay? Para the earlier you can learn, the earlier you become expert. So pag may failure dyan, take it. Document mo lahat. Lahat ng mga challenges mo, lahat ng mga paghihirap mo, i-document mo. Because later on, you can share this to your customers or to your group will be going through the same, kind of challenges. So just like any other business or profession, you cannot avoid failure. Nandiyan po yan. So, kung sabi nila, laughter is the best medicine, I can say, failing is the best journey, no, to success in direct selling. Kasi, good po yan. It can teach you good lessons in life. Marami pang ibang reasons, no, why you can become a super warrior. But these are the five most common na pwede kong, you know, i-present sa inyo. But regardless, no, regardless of the reason, ang importante kasi, na maging aware ka, you identify, you acknowledge your reasons, and take action to overcome your being a super warrior. Remember, sa iyo nakasalalay ang tagumpay ng iyong direct selling business. No? Wala sa kanan mo, wala sa kaliwa mo, wala sa taas mo, wala sa baba mo. No? Sa iyo nakasalalay ang tagumpay ng iyong direct selling business. So folks, until the next topic, thank you for listening and always remember, wages are good, profit is better. While you work hard on your job, it's also worth working hard to build your business. As no, the successful entrepreneurs always say, actually, nothing personal, just business. God bless.